Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi Note 10 Lite and let me share with you how to update apps on this device. So first of all, before we will begin the updating operation, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, of course, to download something. And I highly recommend to use the Wi-Fi instead of mobile data or any other internet source. So if you've got the connection, let's enter the Play Store. You should find it in your apps. Of course, you will have to sign in or log in if you're not currently logged. And after that, just tap on this circle, which is your account. Now let's tap on My Apps and Games. And as you can see, we are currently on the update section. Here we've got the list of all updates pending. So those are apps which you can download. It's up to you. You've got also the list of recently updated. So you can check everything in this one place. And basically all you have to do is to either tap on the single update next to the app or tap on update all. It's up to you. I will update only Google one, so just tap on update. And as you can see, this app will appear at the very top of this list. Right now it is downloading, and after that it will be successfully installed and the app will be automatically updated. So basically you do not really need to do anything more. So basically that's all. This is how to update the apps in your Redmi Note 10 Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.